Hi guys, we are going to the supermarket with my mother-in-law. It's my first time, so let's go.
Lemon? Yeah, that's also so small.
Supermarket here is very doable. It's just like 5 to 7 minutes away on foot. And
Oh,
also this bicycle is actually for carrying all the groceries that we're going to buy tonight.
okay.
We usually
Oh, what's that?
take
Mm-hmm.
it's a good one.
Oh,
Milk.
ah, avocado. Uy, what's this? It's good.
Do you want to drink lemon and hot water and put the lemon?
Lemon? Yeah, that's
Do
also
you
good.
want? Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, I bought this one.
Mm.
This is Japanese. This is also Japanese.
Japanese lemon.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is I don't know. Okay, yeah, we bought. Something, but too much.
It's
just
too
one.
big.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's usually
It's
this
really big.
is come from Korea.
Ah,
Yeah.
the big ones. Wow.
Yeah.
Look at this. That's 198 yen.
This is. Do you know this?
Ah, just the leaves.
Don't you know?
Onion leaves, right? Isn't it?
Different? Yeah. Onion will be there.
Oh, what is this then?
We said Mira, I don't know.
Oh, looks like almost, but
Yeah. So,
ginger.
yeah. So, you want more ginger?
Yeah,
Yeah. So, but here, not ginger is good.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
The other store
That's good one.
is more fresh. Yeah.
Mm.
If you want, I will buy this.
Garlic.
Yeah, garlic.
Wow.
But too much garlic.
8.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's
Garlic.
yeah.
It's big. This is very big onion.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's about, how much is this? Not sure. Like 50 pesos. This is like 50 pesos for this one.
Yeah.
Next, everything is ready.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
But in my case,
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to buy this
Yeah.
one. This is dry. I use cabbage,
Cabbage.
and this. Yeah, this.
Mhm.
This is return. I want to return.
Oh.
So do you want to see one
Uh-huh.
like this one?
Which one?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
No, we use just one.
Oh.
Um,
Talong. Eggplant is, wow,
oh.
260. 100 pesos, 120. We have the cabbage. It's also around 40 pesos. That's not so bad.
Do you know this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet potato.
Yeah, sweet potato.
Persimmon. I've never tried it before, but I tried it today. And it's like for 3 pieces, it's 680 yen. It's like around 320 pesos. Yeah.
This is probably around here.
Uh-huh.
Their product.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is come from far away,
Uh-huh.
so they cut and package.
Ah,
But this is very
from
near.
here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting bad.
Fine.
Yeah.
Like this.
These are the cute ones.
Also, and this.
Yeah. This is the one. Tempura.
Yes.
crab meat, right? No,
Not
it's it.
original crab meat.
Okay.
It's made from okay, the fish.
Fish?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
This is fish.
Squid.
Yeah. So you said natto.
Oh.
Here is all natto. Yeah, so many natto.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Here all.
Oh, natto. Yeah. Fish. Oh, this is 150 pesos. Fish. This is 150 for 3 pieces. That's not so bad. There are fishes. 240. 150. 250. Oh, no plus. It's 200 pesos for 4 pieces. Wow. Yeah, yeah.
I wanted to buy today.
Salmon.
Here. Sashimi.
Sashimi.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Don't you think?
Oh, what's that for?
Miso soup.
Oh, for miso soup? Really?
So
You know, this one?
they have. This is
This
very
one?
thin.
Ah.
Soft.
How about this one?
Yeah. This is soft.
Soft.
Uh,
Oh.
this is a slim.
Ah.
Slim. Yeah. It's for night time.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, yeah, this one. Is okay.
So this is nice.
Oh, yeah. Rice cake is so yummy.
I make vegetables like
For stir frying.
yeah. So what meat I use? They say like is 100 gram is like
398.
yeah. So the other one is a little bit cheap, like this and like this.
Oh, oh.
Yeah, this is American. This is Australia. This is Japan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, usually
Okay.
they decided that kind of. Yeah.
Wow.
I want to buy here. Okay.
Okay.
Here later they have some discount.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah. Tomorrow
Tomorrow.
morning.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Do you like this one?
Oh.
It's inside this red bean.
Oh, is that sakura mochi?
Ah yeah.
Oh, yeah. I tried it once at the hotel. Yeah, it was very delicious.
Yeah. But today, tomorrow, so it's become discount.
20% discount. That's
If you
why.
want, so I buy.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Could be good.
Yeah.